Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be making my famous lasagna. Let's get it. So to start, I've got some olive oil coating the bottom of this pot. Add a little bit more. Just got done playing disc golf with some guys. It's pretty fun. Right here I diced up some carrots, some celery, and some onion. I'm making what people who cook, which is me, making what I call a mirepoix, which I'll show you how to spell it somewhere right here. It seems like this little onion is reacting a little bit, so let's go ahead and pour the rest of these veggies in. I'm gonna get them all coated with that oil, so it's cooking real well. Ricotta cheese filling going. Boom. Clean. So I'm going to mix a tub of ricotta with some cottage cheese. Not all of it though. Just going to do, I don't know. That looks about good. To this cheese, we're going to add some mozzarella shredded. Boom. Like a champ. I'm going to cook it. Let's let that cook a little while. And in this pan, I'm going to be frying up some pancetta. Just gotta figure out how to open it. There we go. Now this is gonna sizzle. It also might pop, which is terrifying. I have nightmares about it. But we've all got our demons. We can't let this stuff go to waste. Get all of it. What? I'm filming a cooking video, bro. Yeah. There it is.
Are you gonna keep the audio?
Yeah. So my friends just walked in.
Wiener!
Ooh.
Just for your lasagna?
Yep.
Lasagna unana.
Now get in there, say hey.
Hey.
Watch the pan, it's really hot.
Ow!
It's popping. Hey, Em.
Hey.
Once this pancetta crisps up a little bit, I'll add it to this little mixture right here. Alright, now once that's cooking, I'm going to add tomatoes. we go. Mmm. I'm gonna add some thyme because you know, everyone's always like, oh, I don't have enough time, but you just gotta add more. Some Italian seasonings. This is like parsley, oregano, rosemary and basil. Yummy. Alright, so while this is cooking off, I'm getting some of that water out of there, I'll show you how to make my cheesy garlic bread. Just by starting out with making the spread. So what I do is I'm going to microwave this for like 10 seconds to soften it, because it's pretty stiff right now. See right there. I don't know how well you can see that. There we go. Sort of like a, I don't know, an icing. To this, we're gonna add salt because the butter is not salted. Gonna add some garlic powder and oregano. Also, give that a good mix. Alright, I made the garlic bread. There's Amy.
You're gonna crop me out.
The lasagna is in the oven, right in there. Yeah, stick your hand in there. Get it. What time is it?
Apple Watch promotion.
What do you have? Is that a shark?
Neff.
Is that a shark?
Neff.
Hey, turn up.
Neff.
What's that? The Beanie Company?
Poor people watches. Walmart brand.
So, I didn't show any of the, I don't know, lasagna after it cooked, or the garlic bread, but it was delicious. So just, close your eyes and picture a really good lasagna, and then that'll be what mine looked like. See you next time.